Israel is a tiny country on earth with a very little population, not much of the area. How it came to existence, that's another matter. But today they are the toxicity for the whole of the world, particularly the Muslims. Muslims are, despite being approximately 1.5 billion Muslims on earth, having some 57 countries, we are being constantly blackmailed by the Israel and some of the Muslim population like Palestinians and now Iranians too are the biggest victim of the Israel. It is a Palestinian land where Israel has been created and they have usurped all the natural resources over there. They are committing the genocide against the Muslims. They're in the Gaza, they're in the Palestine, and now they are at total war with the Iran as well. Why? Because Iran was developing a nuclear weapon, and Iran want to exercise its sort of sovereignty as well. Today we are going to talk about the Israel, its population, and if at all of the residents of Israel are the Jewish people, are the Jews, or other religion followers as well, adherents to other faiths as well, and the population of Muslims there in the Israel. Now, according to the 2023 survey, according to the 2023 plebiscite, it is the it is the 9.8% the total population of the Israel, and 98 lakh if at all we talk in our own language, and out of those the Jewish population is 73.2%, and it means 7.2 millions. 7.2 millions the residents of the citizens of Israel, they are Jewish. And after the 73.2% Jewish population, it is the Arabs which are 21.1%, mean 2 million, or mean 2.04 million, mean 20 lakh and 40,000 are Arabs. But all of these are not Muslims. All the Arabs are not Muslims. 1.7 million are Muslims, and means 17 lakh out of 20 lakh 40,000. These 17 lakhs are 1.7 million are Muslims, and some one remaining some one 157,000 are Druze. They are Arabs, but they are not Muslims. Apart from the Jewish population of 72 lakh, apart from the apart from the 20 lakh 40,000 Arabs and 17 lakh Muslims out of those 20 lakh 40,000. Now there are certain other faith adherents as well, and these are 5.7% of the total population of Israel, mean 55 5 lakh 54,000. 5 lakh means some 5.5 millions. These are non-Jewish and non-Arabs. Neither these are Jewish nor these are Arabs. And now, out of those people who are the Arab population of the Israel, some of these are citizens and some of these are not citizens, but they are the permanent residents. Permanent residents mean they don't have the right to vote. But as for the citizens are concerned, they do have the right to vote. The Muslims having the citizenship of Israel have the right to vote, and those who are not the citizens but the permanent residents, they don't have the right to vote there in the Israel. I think Israel indeed, they are quite a cruel nation, and they are committing the genocide against the people of Gaza, against the Muslims of Gaza, and now they are at total war with the Iran. I think the word at large should contain it, and the Muslims in particular, because Muslims are 57 countries on earth. If at all we do a boycott totally, every sort of economic boycott, and the every type of boycott, and shouldn't have any sort of ambassadors, and the diplomatic relationship should be totally cut off from the Israel with the Israel. And I think that is how we can realize them that Muslims are one. And if at all you are committing genocide against one Palestinian Muslims, the rest of the Muslims too will never like to have any sort of engagement with you at all. So that is Israel. I think they are a rogue country on earth, rogue nation on earth. It must be contained at all. They are a real threat, not only to the Muslims, but maybe to the whole of the world at large as well.